In today's video, I'm making the easiest Texas style brisket on my Lonestar Grillz Pellet Grill. I already trimmed it up and seasoned it up. Salt, pepper, garlic. I used brisket rub from Young Bucks. That's the rub right there. I'll check back with y'all in 4 hours. Alright, so when I say that we're making this the easiest Texas style brisket ever, it's actually been 4.5 hours, rolling at about 275 on my Lonestar Grillz Pellet Grill. Smells awesome. I haven't looked at it. I'm gonna open the lid up and we're gonna check it out together. Let's see what we're looking like. Look at that color and that bark we're starting to develop. Again, I haven't spritzed it, I haven't moved it, I haven't even checked on it in 4.5 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this sucker down and keep on cooking. We'll check on that temperature, I'd say in about 3 hours, and see where we're at. Alright guys, so it's been 3 hours later. We're still rolling at 265, 270 range on the Lonestar Grillz Pellet Grill. Again, I've just been chilling the whole time. I didn't tell you earlier, but within those first 4.5 hours, I literally went to the local Mexican restaurant and had some lunch. So when I say lazy brisket, easiest brisket, this is what I'm talking about. Let's get a temperature reading and see where we're at. 157 on the flat. 160 right there, almost in the middle. We're gonna let that keep rolling. I'm gonna actually put this in a pan. I'll show you what it looks like when we put it in the pan, and I'm gonna finish in the oven. All right, let's go ahead and get our brisket off the smoker. Look at that beautiful bark we've got. We're gonna throw it into our aluminum pan here, and I'm gonna cover it up with some foil and get it ready to continue cooking until we get that perfect internal temperature. Like I said, around 203. All right, she's ready to rock until she's completely done cooking. Next time I see y'all, this will have rested and it'll be ready to slice up and enjoy. I'm gonna turn my Lonestar Grillz to cool down mode or shut down mode so it can properly shut down. And I'll see y'all when this is ready to slice. Oh, y'all are still here? Just enjoy a beer already. We'll see y'all when it's ready to eat. All right, so it's actually been all night. This brisket finished at about 9 o'clock last night, and I let it rest in the oven at 170 degrees until just now. So let's see how it's looking. That right there looks like a delicious Texas style brisket. Let's see if I can do this without burning myself. Very hot. Very, very hot. Didn't have any food safe gloves, so look at that, guys. Got a little straggler here. That's for the pitmaster privilege. Oh yeah, wow. All right, it's time to see how we did. Cutting right down the middle. Oh, it's tender. It's definitely juicy. There we go. Jeez. Remember, the easiest Texas style brisket. Check that out, guys. That's beautiful. That is completely beautiful. Let me set this to the side. Let's go ahead and slice into the flat here. Jeez. Completely juicy. There we go. All right. Got a great bark on it. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Look at how juicy that is, guys. Completely dripping. Man. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around and we're gonna try this out. Just like that, guys. Fire your pellet grill up. Get to cooking, enjoy some awesome barbecue. Look at that. We've got a smoke ring, it's juicy, that fat rendered well. Check that out. Cheers, y'all. So good. That salt, pepper, garlic, Texas style brisket. Not having to really worry about it at all. You can't beat it. Y'all give this a try. Appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing.